COVID-19 is a global infectious disease caused by a novel coronavirus. Named Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2, coronavirus has threatened 1.3 billion lives in India and made us so powerless. It's time to fight back. Glenmark fights back with the first oral antiviral Favipiravir as FabiFlu. Favipiravir in FabiFlu is approved in India for treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19. Each tablet of FabiFlu contains 200 mg Favipiravir. SARS-CoV-2 virus uses the spike S protein located on its surface to bind to the ACE2 receptor located on the airway epithelial host cell. Serine protease TMP RSS2 plays a critical role in priming of the spike S protein, and the virus enters inside the cell. Upon entering, the viral RNA and the enzyme RNA-dependent RNA polymerase or RDRP complex are released into the cytoplasm of the host cell. RDRP complex catalyzes the replication of viral RNA into multiple copies. Eventually, the synthesized viral genome undergoes assembly of structural protein to form a mature variant, which then gets transported to the cell surface through a vesicle and is released by exocytosis for further spread to target other host cells. SARS-CoV-2 replicates rapidly and triggers a strong immune response, leading to cytokine storm syndrome and the resultant pulmonary tissue damage. Let us understand how FabiFlu halts replication of the virus and prevents complication. When administered orally, Favipiravir is taken up by the host cells. It then gets converted to active Favipiravir ribofuranosyl 5-triphosphate or Favipiravir RTP. This activated form of Favipiravir inhibits the activity of enzyme RDRP of RNA viruses by terminating the chain elongation at its incorporated site in viral RNA. With this RDRP inhibiting action, Favipiravir in FabiFlu inhibits the resultant viral RNA replication in host cells and inhibits the resultant multiplication of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Strike early, strike hard with FabiFlu. For Favipiravir, caution has to be exercised in following cases. Contraindicated in patients with severe renal and hepatic impairment, pregnant and lactating women. Should be used with caution in patients with history of abnormalities in metabolism of uric acid or having gout. Contraindicated in patients with history of hypersensitivity to Favipiravir. To know more, visit www.fabiflu.in.